Good morning, scholars. Today I'm going to preview Pharr's completion, his final treatment of the last adjectives of the third declension. This video will be found in full, available to my sponsors on my Patreon site with the link in the description, but this is just a preview. Okay, so we began with caries, cariessa, carien, graceful, and continue with the plural and list some other adjectives that are declined this way. And then we give you a wonderful bit from Iliad book 5 where that adjective is used. We talk about the genitive of comparison and present the Homeric personal pronouns, the relevant ones. And then we review pas, passa, pan, pantes, passai, panta, and the adjective mέλας, mέλαινα, mέλαν, black, and then the plural. And then I go into some detail about how mέλας gets used as an epithet in Homer, the various ways it gets used of earth, blood, water, etc. And then I give you an example from Aeschylus' Agamemnon of the one adjective telos, wretched, which is declined like mέλας. And then I compare entries in Liddell and Scott, the intermediate one, and Cunliffe for tέρην, tέρεινα, tέρεν. The only time I've looked in the lexicon and actually found a discrepancy between the listings, or actually I should say the entries. And then I give the declension or the declension of that adjective. And finally, I close with a wonderful bit. This is when Helen goes to the Skaean gate, where a form of tέρην gets used. Okay, so that's, like I say, is available to sponsors on my Patreon site. I wish you good luck with your Greek, and I hope you will check back soon for our next listing, and hope even more that you'll become a sponsor on Patreon so you'll have access to these full videos. Okay, have a good day and be well.